In physics, the definition of work is a little different from the way it's used in everyday language. For example, if someone holds a job monitoring a library where they sit in a chair, we would say in English that they are working. But in physics, are they doing work? Well, below is an example of positive work being done. Let's look at what it takes to do work. You have to apply a force on an object. And not just apply a force, but you have to actually move the object as well. And the angle between the force and the displacement of the object plays a part. To truly calculate the work done, we want to use what is called the dot product of vectors. Formula for it is work equals the magnitude of the force times the magnitude of the displacement times the cosine of the angle between the vectors. Now in this example where a person is rolling a bowling ball towards some pins, they're applying a force in the positive x direction. And the ball actually moves in the positive x direction. So it could be said that the theta between the vectors here is 0. There's no difference between the angles that the vectors are pointing in. When that happens, we will have the maximum possible positive work being done. And we will have positive acceleration for this ball. So one of the things we see when positive work gets done on an object is that that object's speed will increase.